السلام علیکم، آپ دیکھ رہے ہیں ٹی وی 49 نیوز یو کے اور میں ہوں منیر پیرزادہ۔ آئیے آپ کو لے چلتے ہیں آج کی خبر کی جانب۔ ناظرین، برطانیہ میں تعینات پاکستان کے ہائی کمشنر معظم احمد خان کا مانچسٹر میں قونصل جنرل آف پاکستان مانچسٹر مسٹر اینڈ مسز طارق وزیر کی جانب سے منعقدہ الوداعی تقریب میں اظہار خیال کرتے ہوئے کیا کہا، آئیے جانتے ہیں میاں عامر علی کی اس رپورٹ میں۔
Assalamu alaikum. Very good evening. I'm also going to speak from my heart. And let me assure you, I'll speak a lot because I got a big heart. Lord Mayor Yasmin Dar, Yasmin Qureshi, Lord Qurban, Lord Wazir, my dear friend Andrew, Raja Najabat Sahab, I hope मैं किसी को बोला तो नहीं, please raise your hand. It really has been an honor and privilege to be part of this amazing community, mashallah. जैसा आप लोगों ने कहा कि it has been 37 years in public service and I've been to so many countries, of course. It has been very kind and got the opportunity to represent Pakistan. And of course, but I must say, the community that you have there is amazing. It really is amazing. I think you have defeated many stereotypes. You have shattered many records. I mean, from politics to business, sports, education, you name it, and you have done wonders. I can see my doctor friends also. And I just can't do without you guys, really. In many ways, it really has been a pinnacle of my career, my service. Representing Pakistan in this country, which remains a very important country for us. MashaAllah, the relationship between us, an excellent relationship. I mean, Pakistan. So, हमारे लिए सबसे important और मेरी is see you soon. We don't say goodbye because you never know कि हम किस वक्त कब किस जगह पर आपको दोबारा मिलेंगे. And let me assure you, I see myself coming to this country quite often. So don't get surprised and don't delete my number.